Hi guys, welcome to today's screencast on muscle fibre type and exercise intensity. So just a bit of a recap. Last week we looked at motor unit recruitment by the brain and the actual muscle. Now, the greater number of motor units required, the greater the force of contraction that is produced. So now we've looked at motor units and motor neurons, we need to look at the three types of muscle fibres that we actually have within our body and the differing structures and functions within those three types of muscle fibres. So first of all, these are your Cornell notes, kind of headings. So if you just pause now and just get these down. Thank you. Right, okay. So first of all, this is a typical exam question that you may get that is regarding muscle fibre types. This first one, identify the predominant muscle fibre type used by the discus thrower to achieve maximum distance. Explain how the function of this fibre type suits the performance of a discus thrower. So this is what we're going to be doing in lesson. So first of all, aerobic work and anaerobic work. Aerobic work, low intensity, long duration, exercise in the presence of oxygen. That's the main thing with aerobic work, presence of oxygen. And usually, typically, this will be long distance, such as marathon running or long distance cycle events, swimming, etc. Then we have anaerobic work, high intensity, short duration exercise in the absence of oxygen. So we do not need oxygen to produce the energy we need. So for example, a shot putter or a 100-meter sprinter, javelin thrower, anything really high intensity, explosive for short duration is classed as anaerobic work. Now the way I remember these is the long distance one is the one that is spelt the shortest, i.e. aerobic work, or air for i.e. air oxygen. And anaerobic is the longer word, the shorter distance. Now you may not use that, you may want to use that. So muscle fibre types. First one, slow oxidative and also known as type 1. A type of muscle fibre rich in mitochondria, myoglobin and capillaries which produces a small amount of force over a long period of time. An example of this would be marathon running or cycling long duration, i.e. the Tour de France. Second one is fast oxidative glycolytic, which is type 2A. A type of muscle fibre that are fast contracting, produce high force, and are also resistant to fatigue. So you're looking at kind of like 800-meter distance for the fast oxidative glycolytic system. That's type 2A. And then we have also type 2B, which is fast glycolytic, so no oxygen at all. And you've got a type of muscle fibre rich in phosphocreatine, which produces a maximal force over a short period of time. So example here, you've got the 100-meter sprint, or again, the shot put or javelin throwing events. So there are three muscle fibre types: slow oxidative type 1, fast oxidative glycolytic type 2A, fast glycolytic type 2B. In regards to key terms, first of all, phosphocreatine, so you saw that just then with type 2B fast glycolytic muscle fibres. So this is a high energy compound stored in the muscle cell used as a fuel for very high intensity energy production. And as I just said there, that's for the fast glycolytic system, the type 2, well, muscular fibre, sorry, and that's type 2B. So 100-meter sprinter, javelin thrower, shot putter. Okay, we've got mitochondria. This is a structure in the sarcoplasm responsible for aerobic energy or aerobic energy production. So that's what mitochondria is. And myoglobin, a protein in the muscle responsible for transporting oxygen to the mitochondria. So they are your key terms that you'll need for lesson on Tuesday. Hopefully get that down and I'll see you in Tuesday's lesson. Thank you very much. Bye.